How to make extra money from home. So many people type that into Google, into Yahoo, into Bing, into the search results. And digital marketing, digital products, the e-learning industry is booming. Why is that? Well, COVID hit, folks, and people were at home and they were bored. They were done playing Uno. They were done playing solitaire. They were done, whatever. And so they were looking for stuff to do, right? Does this make sense? They were looking for stuff to do. So they started typing. They started typing into Google, into the search engines, how to crochet from home, how to cook, how to make money, how to earn income from home, how to, how to, right? And for a very reasonable cost, for a very reasonable fee, they were able to purchase a course. They were able to purchase a video instruction, how to lose weight by working out at home, and then purchase a program, right? So digital marketing is absolutely exploding. And so many people that are looking to make extra money from home, but they don't want to create a product. So there's done for you products out there, folks. Done for you products that have master resale rights that you're able to resell and earn 100% profits, 50% if it's an affiliate program, 25%. I prefer to market 100% profits, a master resale rate, where I bought a product and I got a license and I got permission to resell that product. It's genius. And so that's what's happening in the digital marketing world. The stats, it's absolutely crazy what's going on. It went from $1 billion a year to $1 billion a day, and by 2027, it's going to be $1 trillion industry, folks. And so why not market a product or service in the digital marketing space that's done for you? I prefer to market one that teaches skills, internet marketing skills, social media marketing skills. Because once you learn these skills, then you can market anything online. Do we agree the internet's not going away? Right? Do we agree that everybody needs extra income? Maybe not everybody, but most people could use extra income. So that's what's going on in digital marketing, folks. It's a booming industry. It's a legitimate industry. When you offer a product that offers massive value, couple that with a community of like-minded individuals, and make it an interactive program. So somebody's not just buying a course, but an interactive program. You've got a winning ticket in the digital marketing space. So if you'd like some information on what I'm doing in the digital marketing space, earning 100% profits, 100% commissions with done for you product that you buy one time, you get a master resale rate. There's 4 different products, actually. You can buy any one of the 4 different products. Then you have a master resale rate to resell it. They're going to give you a free marketing website. They're going to teach you how to build an email list. Comment ready. I'm going to send you some information. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not, but I'll tell you, I'm closing on 6 figures in, 6 months with this program. And if you're looking to learn some new skill sets, you're willing to put in the work, then maybe this is for you, maybe it's not. Be great. Have a great day. Comment ready. We'll get you some information. Cheers.